Hello crochet fans, welcome back. In today's class we're going to quickly look at how to do this decrease crocodile shell slide. So we'll be working with this red yarn. We'll start with a chain of 25. This is for the tongue, the big toe tongue. So go ahead and chain 25. Okay, so now this is my 25 chains here. All I'm going to do is do one single crochet in each of the chains all the way to this end, then turn it back to where I started. So now I've done it, and this is how it looks like. Just single crochet all along and turn to this place. Okay, so you can increase the chains if you want. So now what we're going to do next is to chain 3 here, which will stand as our first double crochet. This is the foundation for the first shell. So insert your hook into the first single crochet we did and do 1 double crochet. Now chain 3, which stands as the first double crochet also, and work 4 double crochets in this post. Okay, just 4 double crochet. Remember that the first chain 3 we did stand as first double crochet, which will make it a total of 5. All right, so here I've done the 4 double crochet plus the chain 3, which is 5. Then chain 1 like so and turn your work this way. Okay, normally we were supposed to turn it this way and work, but because I want my shell to just lie down perfectly, not having a kind of raise, so I'll turn it this way and work on this post here. Okay, the chain 3 we did when we started the row. Okay, so go ahead and do 5 double crochet in that chain 3 post. This is for 5. Okay, so this is how the back looks like, and this is how the front side of it is going to look like. So now we will start the next row by chaining 3, which stands as our first double crochet. Now into that same space make 1 post double crochet. Okay, then chain 2, and into the middle of the shell, which is here, make 1 post double crochet. Then chain 2 again, and at the tip here make 2 post double crochets together, and 2. So this is the foundation for the next row. So after making this, we chain 3 just as we did in the first one and work 4 double crochets in this post here. This actually will keep increasing in this form. Okay, so this is the 4th one, first double crochet, then chain 1 and turn your work this way and make 5 double crochets on the other stitch. Okay, like so. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now after that you are going to chain 1. So we'll move to the next double crochet, post double crochets together and make the next shell. Okay, this is actually crocodile stitch increase. Is a triangular form, so this is how we are going to be increasing this pattern till we get to the length we want. So go ahead and make 5 double crochets here, then chain 1 and turn your work this way and do 5 double crochet the other side of it. Okay, so this is the 5th one I've done it, and here is how the second row looks like. So just as we did in the first foundation, we're going to chain 3 here and work 1 post double crochet in that same space. Okay, then chain 2 and work 1 post double crochet in the center of the shell, this shell now. So after working this, we'll chain 2 again. Now you remember that we did this 1 post double crochet in the center of the first shell. That is where we are going to do our post double crochet together, 2 together, just here. So this is the top of it. So we'll just work it and we'll carry along the chain 1 we did before working to the next shell, like so, and make 2 post double crochets here. Okay, this is for a shell that will be in the center here. So now we chain 2 and work 1 post double crochet in this center of the shell, then chain 2 and work 2 post double crochet at the end of the other shell, which is here. Okay, so this is 2 of it here. So this is the foundation for the next row now. So what we are going to do is just as we did in the second one, and we're going to keep increasing it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and just do what we did in the second row and the third row now. Okay, so this is how the front looks like. All right, so now I've done my third row shell. This is how it looks like. So how we are going to keep doing this is just as you did the foundation for the second shell. Okay, we are going to do the same to the third, do the same for the fourth, and keep increasing it so you get to the width or the length you like either. Then after that we will trim off the yarn itself. Okay, so this is me cutting off this shell. I'm assuming that I've gotten to the width or the length I want my footwear to be. So when you got it off, all you're going to do now is to chain some stitches long enough that it will go across your leg. So for the footwear that I did, I chained 25 from one end and 35 from the other end. So when you are doing, so now attach the chains back into the shell this way and make 1 single crochet. Okay, so we're going to do 2 single crochets in that double crochet space. Okay, then into the center we make 1 single crochet. Center of the shell we make 1 single crochet. Okay, just here. Then into this other side here we're going to make 2 single crochets here. Then now in this post, all you have to do is just 1 single crochet, but make sure you carry along the chain ones we did to the next shell, just like this. Then 2 single crochets here, 1 single crochet here, 2 here, 1 here, then 2 here. When you get to this end, you also chain some stitches for the other side of the lasting. Okay, so for instance, this is how I did this one side is longer than the other. Okay, so this is my shell, this is the length, this side is 25 stitches, while this side is 35 stitches, which is long enough for me to last the footwear. So you can as well bead this footwear, okay, depending on the color or what you want. Like the first one I did, I beaded the tip of the shells just by this, and instead of the chain one we did, we put beads. But I don't want to do that in this particular footwear, just want it plain like this. So I will go ahead and line this vamp now and then use it to last my footwear. Okay, so this is how to achieve this what's it called, the crocodile shell. So here I've lined it with leather. You can skip this step if you don't have access to leather. Okay, it can still stand without the leather. So this is my platform that I'll be using to couple this footwear, and I have made the inner sole. So here our footwear is ready, and this is how beautiful it looks. You can make it in a flat platform instead of a high platform like this. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. See you.